Hello guys, welcome to my 16th video tutorial on HTML and CSS. In this video I will teach you how to make some modifications on your tables, okay, with CSS code. So let's go to our portal, open page1.html with Notepad, and you can delete all the code from the previous video, and in the body you can delete also the link. Okay, so now we are ready. So let's make a new table. Let's make table, close table, and inside table, as you remember, we have to do a table row, close table row, and inside table row, let's give it a TD, table data, our first table data, another table data, you can remember table data as a column, so let's make a 2-column table. Okay. And you can copy this because I want to make another row. Copy it, and here you can paste it. So we have now 2 rows with 2 columns. Save it, and let's type inside the cells or table data. Let's write data 1, data 2. You can type whatever you want, okay? Data 3, data 4. Okay, let's save it. And let's open this in Chrome. This is too big. Okay, just a second. Okay, you can see it now. Okay, so here is our table for now, and you've learned, I think, to do some how to make some borders. I think we did that in the table video tutorial, and we also made how to do some I think we made some size changes on our cells. I don't remember. Okay, but now I'm going to teach you how to do that all all those changes in CSS. So basically, you can do it in XHTML. You can put a border and colors using XHTML, but I advise you to use it or make changes in your tables using CSS code. Why? Because in the future you will have to use a lot more properties and change the properties in CSS code than in XHTML. XHTML, as I said in the first or second video tutorial in this course, XHTML will only we will only use it for the data or content. Okay, so we have to remember that we must do the XHTML code to be as simple as possible and minimal code as possible. And then in CSS we can change the properties, colors, sizes, whatever we want to change. We do it in CSS. Okay, the decoration, we do it in CSS. So then we will have a nice and clear code on XHTML instead of instead of messing it up and putting all colors and for each cell a color and for each row a size, and if we have two tables, each table whatever size and colors, background colors, we'll have a mess up XHTML code, and that is not very nice, because it will give us a lot of trouble to search and change whatever we want to change in the future. So it's best and clear. It's clearer for us to use CSS code to make all the changes in properties, okay, and colors and so on. So let's use CSS code to change some properties in our table. Like, for example, let's make first of all table selector, and let's give it a border. Okay, a border. Let's give it a border to the table. Let's give it 2 pixel solid border with, for example, we can give it a black color. Okay, give it a black color. Now let's save it and let's see this. And okay, so this is the border that we gave to our table and CSS. So now I want to make another property. I want to change, I want to give a border to the table rows, and let's give it a border of also 2 pixel. No, let's give it a 1 pixel solid and black also. Let's see this. Okay, something is wrong. Ah, okay, of course. We have to give, I forgot that instead of tr, table row, the border, for us to see it in action in our table, we have to give it a selector of the TD, because we don't want any border on the table rows. We want the border on each. I want a border on each cell. So this would be a cell, this another, this another. So we'd have 4 cells. So each cell will have a border of a nice 1 pixel solid black. Let's refresh, and there it is. Each cell, 4 cells, each cell will have a black border 1 pixel wide. So now I want to make, for example, let's give a background color to each cell. So let's choose the table row selector, and then let's make it a background color. Let's say red. Background color red. Let's refresh, and there it is. Okay, so each in this case, okay, this case we are using the tr selector, so it's given tr, which is the table row, which is, this would be a tr, the data 1 and data 2 would be a tr, and data 3, data 4 would be the other tr. So we have 2 trs, 2 table rows. So if we give a background color to the table row, it automatically give a background color to each cell in that row. Okay, but we're not specifying if we want table background color red for row 1 or row 2. We want all rows to have background color red. Okay, so in this case it gives background color to all rows. But I think if we if we did it like this, TD, let's try. I think we can do it this way also. So we are given now each cell, each table data, a background color of red. Okay, so yeah, it's the same thing. Okay, so we can use it either in TD selector, okay, or we can use TR selector for that. Now, how to change the size of the cells? Okay, the size of the cells. So we can do that by choosing, by typing padding. Remember padding attribute? So padding, let's give a 10 pixel padding to TD, which are the cells. And as you see, each cell have now a padding of 10 pixel. Let's give a 20 pixel padding. So with this property, you can almost control the size of the entire tables. Okay. Okay, guys, this is all for this video. If you have any questions, just send me a message or post your questions in the comment section below. Okay, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.